Me not think she understand what we do for the venue there. Whisper, you know, realize there are two guest speakers we have. One from the ministry and one from TPD Co. Plus a prominent radio personality as the host. It not get no better than that.
Yeah, man. One of the upscale production them. Me not gonna lie. I made it feel like me there's somewhere big for real. Me get escorted, you know, parking space and everything.
Aside for go, when me I put on my production, I don't know dibby something. Me fi make sure say my production set and crisp. Special people get them special parking. VIP people get treated the nicest way. Waitress come to them and attend to them and all of the nice things. So me not know if Miss Mum the thing say is a school production, is a company where I do this for our first anniversary, you know. We have to leave a big impact on the people them. But me no want think about it or even believe say a sabotage should they want to sabotage the event or sabotage my part at the event.
You think should I really do that?
Whisper, me not think you understand. You see the food for the patron them did alright. But you see the food now for the artist tent and the media tent, she go on like a that she did want all off one. Me have to call Miss Pendergrass. And Miss Pendergrass have to sign off on Tanya room and take care of the food for the artists and the media tent. She go on like a fear money.
You know what said that woman they mean? She should have take Uber for the whole of her life, you know. And now by herself a car.
You know, sister, she have man to come pick her up. What she have bother buy care for?
But she can't depend on man all the time for come pick her up.
You stay there.
Bossy, based on the information we have on them, she was Miss Prendergast's supervisor at heart, right? And now Miss Prendergast a fair boss. She look like she no wanted it to me, you know. Me no know if I that you see. But why she really do it?
Me, I wonder the same thing too. Because me know when you love something, you put your heart and soul in it. The truth is, maybe she don't have a choice. Or maybe she up to something. And one thing me know, Miss Prendergast put her in her place. You work for me.
You
Rubbish.
And the fact you know.
What?
Well, here what me I ask, you know. Me know you gonna tell me no, you know, but me I ask anyways. Me can close my car?
Where you want close my car for? Oh, you into her like how she into you. Listen to me whisper. What you mean? You want to follow her yard to see how much man I come to her or which man I come to her? Look here, listen. We just have a successful production, yeah? And you come now with agents. Jesus, you're provoking, you know?
You take it so serious, bossy. Oh, why you never want to talk nothing about the agency?
Listen, you see, for the rest of the weekend, I just want to be a promoter who just had a successful production. Agency work, we pick up that Monday morning. Okay?
Nothing wrong with that. Me mark her Monday. Me wait.
You like me, Sanders? You like her little sexy walk? Or when you say, Chris?
Bossy, me just as said. She just have a little suspicious thing about her. Maybe she up to something. You know.
We have Mullins case to deal with. 2, Siva case to deal with. 3, Finding King film go deal with Spanish Town. Now you want me to make you put surveillance on your supervisor. How what you want she to supervise you? More than how she supervise your work?
I just hope she go up against her boss. Me not see nobody go up against some boss them way. Me I wonder
Are your
how she...
business that? We don't own the company. We work there. Remember, we are supposed to be undercover to get back to what is actual business for the agency.
Alright, boss. I just that some of the things them I should give him for drop off. They make me feel uncomfortable more while, man.
I wish I gave a drop off.
Some some whole heap of Ties.
Ties. Wait, what?
Me tell you.
Whisper, tell me say a joke you make. Sex ties?
Bossy, me get one envelope last time. Remember the day when me come at the little meet and I tell you the envelope drop out of my hand? Me take it up, the thing a vibrate.
No, so you never know. Why you couldn't suspect say it's a phone?
Yeah, me could have think so, but you know no phone around and vibrate and speed can't change, you know.
What? No man, wait. Wait, cause this look like me need something strong for dropping at this. She know say you know?
No? You think I gonna tell her that to stop my look extra?
Whisper, who she has sent you to with them something here?
You sure you want me to tell you that? Alright. I'm mostly some old man and married.
Jesus. I wonder if I side hustle this. I wonder if that woman here one. What them call them now? Dominatrix. Where she transform and take out the whip at night time and the handcuff and the blindfold.
Hold on there, man. Talking about that. One time she give me a big envelope. I feel like rope in there.
Not to Jesus. Tony and I miss all of the excitement. You know all of this and you hold this so long? Yeah, keep secret.
Um, she kind of give me a little extra for keep the secret, but the last time she not pay me yet.
Listen, don't get it twisted. Me are still your boss. You are not a bearer. You are working undercover as an agent. So you're still for report to me.
All right, me I report here every time. I make you know what I want, but we can close my car now, right?
Yes, I know you for close marker. Listen, we have one little trick. You see, anytime you get the package them, just get a lighter and just heat which part it's sealed. Lift it up and look in it and tell me we're in there. Nobody tell Tony before you tell me. Alright? So report to me.
So you want me for fast night, man?